If you're running Outbound right now, chances are you're stitching together several different tools to run Outbound end to end. In this video, I'm going to show you how I consolidated my tech stack, and I'm using just one tool to run my Outbound, from signal detection to list building to writing the messages to sending and to booking meetings. So what does my Outbound tech stack look like, or what did it look like? Well, I had a few different tools. I had SmartLead, which I was paying around $40 a month for sending my emails and Mailbox warmup. Trigify for social signal intelligence, so tracking signals on LinkedIn to find out people talking about specific topics. Then I had HeyReach, which I was using for LinkedIn outbound, Clay for data enrichment and also signal stacking, and then also Apollo for list building. And behind all of these tools was me stitching it together with Zapier workflows, integrations between one tool and the other. And I just wanted to have one place to go to where I could run my outbound entirely. And that's where I discovered Amplemarket. So Amplemarket is one of those all-in-one sales platforms. And for years, I haven't really believed in all-in-one sales platforms because no platform could truly do everything I needed to do until I started using Amplemarket. So I'm going to walk through the various different parts of Amplemarket that I'm using and talk about how it's replacing the various tools that I mentioned before. So first of all, list building from a contact or account level, we've got the searcher part of Amplemarket. As you can see here, there's pretty sophisticated filters, as you'd expect in any sort of list building tool. One of the things I like about Amplemarket though is that I can add in my own personas. In fact, when I went through the onboarding process, it automatically created these personas for me based on my onboarding answers and my website. I went in and made a few tweaks and changes just to make sure it was truly aligned. But here I can automatically just pull a list of any person who matches my persona, and there's 3 different personas: outbound and SDR leaders, revenue leaders at B2B SaaS companies, and then RevOps and sales operations leaders for SDR teams. But first of all, you can see that in the searcher, before we even get into people or accounts, we've got signals. So we've got job change alerts, any jobs that have been changed in the last 12 months. You can actually change this when you select here. So current month, 3 months, 6 months. Let me just get rid of that. Then you've got anybody in your LinkedIn network. So it pulls in all of my data from LinkedIn. So I can actually just filter for all of my LinkedIn connections, which actually means that I can reach out quicker via LinkedIn. Then I've got recent job changes, job openings. So are they hiring in these particular roles? So if I go to product, we can see what roles they're hiring. And then in advanced settings, I can actually put the specific titles that I want to exclude as well. Then we've got headcount growth, ideally by department. That's a really good filter for me. Technologies, funding, and news. And news is quite extensive. There's lots of different news that we can track here. And then when you get to the person, you've got classic things like titles, locations, people keywords, name, and education. And then on a company basis, you've got things like industries. And then what I really like is the client focus of B2B. So I would be building this list in Apollo historically, and then exporting that and using all of my credits as I export. And then I would be running that list into Clay to enrich the data. But I don't need to do that now. I can simply build the list and push it to a sequence here in Amplemarket. Now, one of the best features about Amplemarket is their Duo Copilot. This is where the AI, the personalization, and the enrichment really comes in. So what you can see here is I've got 99 leads that match my persona, and there is a particular signal that I need to decide to do something with. So you can see here we've got different tags. They've changed jobs recently. They posted about a sales playbook. They've engaged with a post about sales coaching. They're hiring, changed jobs. They've engaged with influencers who speak to the same audience as me. I don't really see these people as competitors per se, but if somebody's engaging with John Barrows or Jason Bay, David Wilkins, then it might be somebody that I want to start a conversation with, or at least add to my network. So there's lots of different signals here. Now, this replaces Trigify for me on the most part, especially from the LinkedIn side of things. But the one thing that Amplemarket does so much better than lots of the other signal-based tools is that it actually allows you to build a filter on top of the signals. Now, a lot of the signal-based tools will just say, here are all of the companies that are hiring X roles, or here are all of the people that engage with this particular person's LinkedIn post. But when you get into the weeds of Amplemarket, you can see these are all the different signals that I've got running. Some of these I've only set up quite recently, and they still need a bit of time to go through. But if I look at job openings, for example, I can put in the job titles that I want to search for, or I can keep it at a department level. And for here, I'm just looking for business development particular roles because I'm looking for companies that are hiring SDRs right now or BDRs. But the best thing about this is I can click on filters, and now it's only going to tell me the signals from companies that match my specific personas. Now that is a huge task that I would have to do in Clay and go through and filter out to map my ICP fit. I no longer have to do that. So that's one of the other benefits of Amplemarket here. And then from here, I can actually enroll this person into an individualized sequence. So this is Dave Carson, who's head of sales. Now I need to work on my my Copilot messaging. I haven't had a chance to really fine tune it just yet. But this is a out-of-the-box email that is generating for me without me doing this fine-tuning. So here it says, new seat is the subject line. Notice you stepped into Pinewood AI earlier this year. The first 90 days in a new sales seat usually comes with the same headache. Pipeline targets stay the same, but the outbound motion needs a reset. So I wouldn't actually send this email. I need to go in and give the Duo Copilot more prompting to make it into more of my style. But let's just say I wanted to, I could simply add this prospect, Dave, to a sequence now. That means that every lead that comes across in the Duo Copilot gets a personalized message which is relevant to them based on the signal. Now, as I said, it needs more work. It needs some more fine tuning to get that messaging right. But the reality is that I can create individualized sequences for each prospect based on the signal. So then let's talk about the sequencing. So previously I was using SmartLead. I've used Instantly as well. And again, how I've built those lists is I've built them in Apollo, put them into Clay, saved all of the verified emails from Clay, and then uploaded them into a SmartLead and Instantly. But I don't need to do that now. I'm just going to quickly show you the AI-assisted sequences. I'm not expecting the results to be perfect, and neither should you. It just helps you go from a 0 to at least 70, 80%. So let's just say the suggestions here that it's given me, because it understands me and my context. Reaching out to founders, still closing deals to help build a scalable outbound engine. That's a good sweet spot for me. So that's going to be my why am I reaching out? And then I go to my target, and then I can use the suggestions here as well. So use the suggestion, and it's pulling through this information from the context that I've given it. And a lot of that context was built by Amplemarket automatically as I was onboarded. And then the channel strategy I want to use for this particular campaign will be email and LinkedIn. And I want it to have 1 email and 2 LinkedIn. No, I want there to be 5 steps in total. So I can click generate preview, and it's going to start generating the messages for the prospects. However, I haven't loaded in the prospects in just yet, so it may not show exactly what the sequence is going to look like, but I haven't really written anything at all at the moment. I'll come back to that. One of the benefits of using SmartLead and Instantly is that you have the Mailbox warm up. I have my mailboxes warming up in Amplemarket at the moment. As you can see, there really hasn't been too much activity just yet, as I'm still warming up the domains that I'm using for Outbound. Now, I mentioned that it replaced Clay, and I have to be completely honest, it's not a like-for-like comparison with Clay. Clay is an extremely powerful platform to help you enrich and organize and orchestrate your GTM motion. However, it's becoming very expensive with their new pricing. And as a new user signing up, you're going to be penalized a little bit for the actions that you want to take. So I can't sit here and honestly say that Amplemarket is a complete comparison, a complete replacement for Clay. But to get me 90% of the way there, it can absolutely do that. Now, one of the ways it does that is that it has information about my personas that I've built out. So these are the individual people, so the job titles, the seniority, the locations, the company sizes, the regions that I sell to, and obviously a few other filters there too that I can add in, very similar to the search filtering. And then you have the message settings. So now I put in my company value propositions. I put in all of my case studies. I put in all of the talking points. I also share my tone of voice more as well for the Duo Copilot and Duo Copywriter. As I mentioned, I need to work on the copywriter for Duo in more detail. And then sequence instructions here as well. I've got more information that, depending on the trigger or depending on the signal, I can give instructions to say, only talk about this when this happens, which is quite simply awesome. So I think that covers everything. We've talked about replacing Apollo. We've talked about replacing Trigify, Clay for the signals and the enrichment, although it's not 100% replacement. We've also talked about replacing tools like SmartLead and Instantly. Oh, I didn't talk about HeyReach. So I can run LinkedIn only sequences. I don't think I've got them here, but I can go to a sequence and then just run a LinkedIn only one. And if I just click through on one of these, again, I've just started using this and warming up my domains. We can see that this is just a LinkedIn only campaign that I'm running. It's got a 7% reply rate on the first message and a 3% reply rate on the second. Not the best. I need to improve the messaging there, but I can run just LinkedIn only campaigns. And then when you add that to the fact that I can pull through just everybody who's in my first connections and then add the filters on top to find out people who match my persona and our first connections too. The last thing which I haven't mentioned is the LinkedIn extension. So Amplemarket has quite a decent LinkedIn extension or Chrome extension that works in other places other than LinkedIn. I'm going to pause the video and then click this after to show you how that works. So here's what the Amplemarket Chrome extension looks like. I can click here to reveal the email and the phone number of this particular prospect. It's a new lead, so that email hasn't been enriched yet. I noticed that Simon was hiring in his sales team, and that's a good trigger point for me. I typically reach out, not trying to sell something, but providing some value about onboarding SDRs, as well as some tips on some good job boards to post SDR roles to. One of them is called Merit, fantastic platform. So what I can do here is, as I'm on the LinkedIn profile, I can simply add Simon to a sequence, and it would be either B or A, which I'm testing at the moment. So I could simply click currently hiring BDR SDR, candidate or Merit. I'm going to select Merit. I'm going to say add one lead, and that is going to go off and enroll Simon into a sequence. So I can do this on an ongoing basis. I can build large lists within Amplemarket, and then I can also add people to sequences as I go and scroll through LinkedIn and other places on the internet. So the final comparison. Here's what my tech stack looked like before. I had SmartLead at $40 a month, Trigify at $149, HeyReach or Lemnis, they're both $79 a month, Clay at $185 with a new pricing, and Apollo at $59 a month, although I noticed that I was running out of credits on a monthly basis on that tier of Apollo. But that came to $512. And with Amplemarket, I don't have 5 different billing cycles. I have just one price, which I pay. It works out at $300 per user. And for me, it's a $300 per month. And I have a lead database prospecting, buying intent and signal detection with filters, which is the most powerful part of it, multi-channel sequencing, cold email and deliverability, as well as data enrichment and AI personalization. So if you are looking to consolidate your tech stack and just have one tool that can do it all, then I highly recommend that you check out Amplemarket. Cheers.